Hey my revivers, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Today I'm going to do a very quick video with you. A lot of people are baking while in this quarantine, lockdown, whatever you have going on, stay at home in your city. So I have been getting a lot of requests of different baking hacks, and a lot of times certain recipes call for certain ingredients. And if you are not a baker like that, you sure wouldn't have certain things on hand. I did cake flour. Now I'm getting ready to do self-rising flour. Self-rising flour is a flour that incorporates more baking powder, and you can make it yourself with just what you see right in front of you. All-purpose flour and baking powder, not baking soda. Baking powder rises, baking soda spreads, okay? It is a difference. That's why when you make certain cookies and stuff, if it says a certain type of ingredient, a spreader or a riser, use it, okay? So today we're gonna make some self-rising flour, and I'm gonna show you how simple it is. For every cup of self-rising flour, you need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. It is that simple. So 1 cup, all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. All right, and then you are going to take those two and you want to just whisk them together very nicely like that, and you have created yourself some self-rising flour. I hope this was helpful. Please share it with other bakers and other people who may come into contact with a recipe that says purpose or self-rising, and you know you got all purpose but you don't have self-rising. This is how you create it. Share it with them. Somebody might even say, hey, do you have any self-rising flour? Be like, no, I don't, but I'm gonna tell you how to make some. So this is how you make it simple, easy. Thumbs up this video if you're looking for more cooking and baking hacks / coin savers. Please check out the link in the end of this video, which is my cooking videos and a lot of different other hacks that I use in the kitchen while cooking and things like that. So I will see you guys later, Gators. And if you are new to this channel and you enjoy these videos, why not join my family and become a reviver by subscribing? All right, I'll see you guys in the comments.